Go to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and insert a rectangle with rounded corners. Remove the shape outlines to create a cleaner design. Right-click the shape and select Format Shape. Go to the Fill section. Then under Color, choose Black and set the transparency to 75%. Go back to the shape and add some text. For this example, I added London Store. Here's a tip. If you copy and paste the shape from the training material, you can select it, go to the Home tab, and click Format Painter. Then, click on the shape you just created to instantly apply the same formatting. Now that that's done, duplicate the shapes for each pin you have. I will create another one for Paris and Rome. To stay organized, I will rename my text fields accordingly. Go to the Selection pane and rename the shapes. If you click the eye icon on the right side in the Selection pane, you can hide elements. In this case, hiding the text fields for Rome and Paris makes it easier to edit the text in London. Click the eye icon again to unhide the element. If you select all three elements, go to the Shape Format tab, click Align, then choose Align Middle and Align Center to ensure they are perfectly positioned. Now, you can drag all three elements to your desired locations on the slide. Lastly, update the text in each text field to reflect the correct location names. Manually updating text fields can be a bit tedious, especially when you need to hide and unhide specific ones. This is why we renamed them, to avoid confusion about which text field is selected. In the next session, we will learn how to link text fields to a Word document to streamline updates. We will also cover how to animate elements to appear on click. Currently, when you play the slide, each text field overlaps, making it difficult to read.